Good morning, all. My name is Rupesh Kumar. I am a lecturer in ECE from Government Polytechnic Narayankhed. Today, I wish to share some information regarding the digital electronics of third SEM Scheme C21. Today's topic is on basics of digital electronics. Subtopic is number systems. You already know we are dealing with different types of analog and digital instruments. Analog instruments means you in day to day life we are dealing with our different types of instruments in our house. One simple instrument is clock. See here in clock it has hours hand, minutes hand and second hand. It is in a analog fashion. We want to trace out the time in that. But nowadays we are going for digital fashion. For obtaining the digital fashion, knowing about the digital electronics is must. Okay. Now objectives of this is on completion of this period you would be able to know what is number system, types of number system, explain binary number system, perform conversion from binary to decimal, decimal to binary. These are the objectives we learned from this class. First topic is what is number system? What is number system? You already know, we learn from our previous classes or in our lower classes also, we deal with different types of numbers. Real numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, fractional. These are the different types of numbers we learned before. Now we are dealing with number system. It is a set of symbols used to express quantities. It is the different types of symbols to express quantities as the basis for counting, comparing amounts, performing calculations, representing values. These are the different quantities we want to judge. First one is counting, for comparing accounts, performing calculations and for representing values. These are the different types of symbols we are using in the number system for the four types of now different types of number system. We already know different types of number systems are there in our day to day life, but in digital electronics we have some more number systems are there. They are first one decimal system, second one binary system, third one octal system, fourth one hexadecimal system. For doing such type of calculations in our previous slide, we are using these type of number systems. First one is decimal system, second one is binary system, third one is octal system, fourth one is hexadecimal system. These are the four types of number system we are using in our day to day life or in our appliances also. Okay. See, please have a glance of it and make a note of it also. Important question in your exam point of view. Different types of number systems. There are four types of number system. First one decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Okay. Next another type also is there. Binary coded decimal is there. These are the 5 types of binary system. Most probably we are using 4 types only: decimal, binary, next octal and hexadecimal. The BCD code is mostly used in our appliances, in microcontrollers, microprocessors, next in any type of applications we are using that one. Okay. Now important topic is base or radix. This type of topic is we have learned in our math classes only. First of all, base or radix of a number system is the number of digits available in that system. Here base or radix of number system is the number of digits available in that system. Any digits ఉన్నాయో, for knowing the how many digits in that system we are using this base or radix. So first of all, one example I have given here. The base of decimal system is 10. That means in decimal system it is having 10 digits. 10 number of digits are there in this decimal system. Next, another example is there. The base of binary system is 2. Another example is the base of binary system is 2. That means binary system consists of 2 numbers only. Next, the base of octal system is 8. Base of octal system is 8 systems. Next, the base of hexadecimal system is 16. Base of hexadecimal system is 16. Okay. First of all, you know this and have a glance of it and make a note of it also. The base of decimal system is 10, binary system is 2, octal system is 8, hexadecimal number system is 16. That means decimal system has 10 numbers, number of digits. Next, binary system has 2 number of digits, octal system has 8 number of digits, hexadecimal number system has 16 number of digits. Okay. In decimal number system, it uses 10 distinct symbols. See, I have already told in previous slide that decimal number system has different 10 numbers are there, or number of digits are there. They are 0 to 9 to represent different numbers. For representing different numbers, here we are using decimal number system. The different symbols are 0 to 9. The value of each digit in the number depends upon its position in the number. Here the value of each digit in the number depends in its position in the number. Hence it is a positional weightage number system. Hence it is a positional weightage number system. Hence it is a positional weightage number system. Okay. See, here I have in second point I told that the position of a number. Position of a number means how here I have taken the value a number that 100. In 100 we have 1, 0, 0 are the digits in it. First 0 from left side, 0 is in units place. We want to know the position of that number, that is units place. 0 is in units place. Another 0 corresponding to that 0 is in tens place. Another 1 is there. 1 is in hundreds place. Okay. But this is the position of the number system. Here I have given the positional weighting system, that is 10 cube, 10 square, 10 power 1, 10 power 0, decimal point, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3. 10 power 3 means 1000, 10 power 2 means 100, 10 power 1 means 10, 10 power 0 means 1. You already know that. Next, after decimal point, 10 power minus 1 means 1 by 10, 10 power minus 2 means 1 by 100, 10 power minus 3 means 1 by 1000. Okay. Now I am reading the placement values from decimal point. Afterwards, it is 1/10th, 100th, 1000th. Before decimal point, it is units, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Here I have a justification that before decimal point, it is considered as most significant digit. After decimal point, it is considered as least significant digit. Okay. Before decimal point, it is most significant digit. If it is bit means bit also. If it is digit means digit also. After decimal point, least significant digit. Before decimal point, these numbers are integers. After decimal point, these numbers are fractions. Please make a note of it. Positional weighting system, 10 cube, 10 square, 10 power 1, 10 power 0. You already know in previous classes, the lower classes, from third class, we already know the positional weighting system. First place is units place, second place is tenths place, third place is hundreds place, fourth place is thousands, fifth place 10,000, sixth place 1 lakh. Okay, like that. Okay, completed. See here, the weight of the digit increases by 10 times when it moves to the left by 1 place from the decimal point. See here, likewise only here it is there. Units means 1. By changing it to another place, it is become tens. By changing to another place, it is become hundreds. By changing to another place, it becomes thousands. Another place, 10,000s. Okay. Left means increases. Right means decreases by 10. See, that one also explained here. The weight of the digit decreases by 10 times when it moves to the right by 1 place from the decimal point. The weight of the digit decreases by 10 times when it moves to the right by 1 place from the decimal point. The weight of the digit decreases by 10 times when it moves to the right by 1 place from the decimal point. Left means increases by 10, right means decreases by 10. Decimal point before means increases, decimal point after means decreases. Okay, you understand? Now representing the digital system. See, I already told previous slide, leftmost digit position has highest weight. See here, leftmost digit position has highest weight, rightmost digit has least weight. Rightmost digit has least weight. Rightmost digit has least weight. LSD means leftmost digit, MSD means rightmost significant digit. Okay. MSD, most significant digit. The leftmost digit is called most significant digit. Please make a note of it. Most important thing it is. Leftmost digit is called most significant digit. Next, rightmost digit is called least significant digit. It is also to be noted. Rightmost digit is called least significant digit. Rightmost digit is called least significant digit. Okay, representation I have given clearly in the slides. Please don't confuse. Please make a note of it. Now I have given a example for you. Here I have chosen a number 567. It doesn't have any base, but I think it is a decimal number, so I have given a base also for it. That means 567 base 10. That 10 indicates it is a decimal number. Now I am taking different positions of that number or digits present in that number. See here, first number is 7. For that it is in units place. Next 6 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. So 5 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0. It represents the 5 into 10 square means 500 plus 6 into 10 means 60 plus 7 into 10 power 1 means 7. 500 plus 6 plus 7 equal to 567. What we have written, that is came in the counting also. 5 into 10 square 500, 6 into 10 power 1 60, 7 into 10 power 0 7. You must remember the additive identity, subtract, multiplicative identities here. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 equal to 1. Okay, this is used in this calculation. 10 power 2 equal to 10 into 10, that means 100. 10 power 1 equal to, another identity is also there. Any digit, any number to the power 1 equal to same number. A power 1 equal to A. 1 power 1 equal to 1. 2 power 1 equal to 2. 3 power 1 equal to 3. Okay, these are the two identities you must remember here. Please make a note of it. I will repeat that. That means A power 0 equal to 1. A power 1 equal to A. A power 0 equal to 1. A power 1 equal to A. Okay, you understood that? Please make a note of it. 567 is the decimal number. It is showing with the base 10, and I will conclude and complete the calculation also. Please make a note of it. Next one is binary system. See, binary system is the basis for most of the modern gadgets. Here it is the basis for most of the modern gadgets. Example, calculators, cell phones, digital clocks, etc. Calculators, cell phones, digital clocks, etc. Here I have shown the different types of calculators, cell phones, digital clocks also. See, here in calculator, by pressing the digit we are getting the number same representing that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 is representing there. So, next to the diagram I have shown the mobile phone. Next one is digital clock. In digital clock we have get the digital time. Here it is 12 o'clock. Okay, binary system. It is also called base 2 system. Here it is having only two possible digit values, 0 and 1. All binary numbers are represented using binary positional weightage. Abbreviation of binary digit is bit. Can represent the digital signal this like. See here, it is totally different from decimal number system. Binary number system is also called base 2 system. Here it is having only two possible digit values. They are zeros and ones. All binary numbers are represented by using binary positional weightage. Here it is represented by using binary positional weightage. The abbreviation of binary digit is bit, and it can represent a digital signal. I have already told that binary system is only used for forming digital signals, and it is having two digits values, 0 and 1, and these binary values numbers are represented by using their binary positional weightage. The shortest form of binary digit is bit. Shortest form of binary digit is bit. Bit is also known as 0 and 1. Now binary system. See, here I have shown the positional weightage system for the binary to the power of 2. In previous decimal system, we have seen the 10 powers in, because it is having the base 10. In binary system, it is having the base 2. So here we are showing that in 2 power. 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. After decimal point, or here we are taking the decimal point as binary point. After that 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. Before binary point, value is increasing. After binary point, value is decreasing. Value increasing point is nothing but most significant bit. Value decreasing point is nothing but least significant bit. Most significant bit and least significant bit, LSB, MSB. In that decimal, most significant digit is there. In this, least significant bit is there. Here in that one, bit digit, here bit digit. Remember that one. Decimal system only we want to represent it in digits. In binary system we want to represent in bits. Okay, I have shown a truth table as well as the representation system also here for decimal numbers and the binary numbers. Here a simple thing you must know: for changing decimal to binary, we must know the coded values according to their positions. Here we have single digit, means it is having single digit, or bit means it is having 2-bit code. 2 means 3 means 3-bit code, 4 means 4-bit code, 5 means 5-bit code. Okay, now we am taking a 4-bit code here. That code is developed with the help of that positional weights only. Least significant bit having starting point and most significant having the ending point. Okay, least significant bit has positional value 0, next to that 1, next to that 2, next to that 3. Okay, now for the decimal digit 0, we can represent as 0 only, but in 4-bit form it is 0 0 0 0. For 1, 0 0 0 1. For 2, 0 0 1 0. For 3, 0 0 1 1. For 4, 0 1 0 0. For 5, 0 1 0 1. For 6, 0 1 1 0. 7, 0 1 1 1. See, up to 2 or up to 3, it is represented in 2-bit code. From 4 to 7, it is represented in 3-bit code. From 8 to 15, it represented in 4-bit code. After that, 15 to 20, it is represented in 5-bit code. Okay, I am showing the differences only. Please make a note of it. So important is this one. In exam point of view, most important thing, how to represent the decimal numbers in binary form. How to represent the decimal numbers in binary form. See, with the help of the positional weights only, in least significant to most significant bit. You already know that, but you must remember that one. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 2 power 0 means 2 power 0 means 0. Sorry, 2 power 0 means 1. 2 power 1 means 2. 2 power 2 means 2 power 2 4. 2 power 3 means 8. Okay. Here we are taking the first value as 0. 0 into 2 power 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. So we represent that 4-bit code as 0000 for 1. 1 into 2 power 0. It is 1 only. Rest of that are zeros. 0001 for 2. 2 is represented in tens place. So 2 into 2 power 1 is nothing but the 2. So 0010. Next 3 0011. 4 0100. For 7 0111. That means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 0 means 1, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 1 means 2. 421 code it is. For 2-bit code, 21 code is there. 3-bit code, 421 code is there. For 4-bit code, 8421 code is there. For 5-bit code, 168421 code. For 6-bit code, 32168421 code. Okay. For 8, 1000. For 9, 1001. For 10, 1010. For 11, 1011. For 12, 1100. For 13, 1101. For 14, 1110. For 15, 1111. For 15, 1111. Okay. Please make a note of it. Most important thing it is conversion of decimal to binary with the help of the code 8421. Now binary to decimal conversion I have shown here. Please make a note of it. See, I have taken a binary number, that means write a binary number. See here I have taken the 11101. It is the binary number. First of all, I have written the binary weights on the top of that from LSB to MSB. LSB means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. Okay. See, 2 power 0 means it can be represented as 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 3 means 8, 2 power 4 means 16. Okay. Now multiply given binary number with the positional weights. Okay, or that is nothing but binary weights also. 1 into 1, it can be 1. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 16, 16. Now add all the digits. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Now we get the corresponding value of the decimal number. See, I have given the steps clearly. Please make a note of it. Write the binary number first of all. Write the binary weights 2 power 0 to last. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, etc. Above the binary digits. Then you must write on the top of that only. Starting with the bit on the right hand side, LSB, say 1101 below the binary digits. Cross out the weight under zeros, add the remaining weights. Now add the remaining weights, we get the answer that 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 1, 29. Simple conversion, binary to decimal. We must know the positional or binary weights here, and we must know the multiplication, we must know the addition. These are the three concepts used for binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. I have given an exercise also here with answers. Please make a note of it and please complete it in your home. Okay, here exercise I have given here. Convert the following binary numbers into decimal. I have given 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. Answer is 15. For B, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 37. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Answer is 439. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 496. Here representation is not given. Please make a note of it and kindly represent that in result also. Okay, for binary number you must show the base values, that is 2. For decimal number we want to show the base value 10. Okay, here first I will slightly give a clue to the first question. They are representing 4 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1. Positional weights are binary weights starts from 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. For 2 power 3 it is 8, 2 power 2, 4, 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 0, 1. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. See, correct answer it is 15. Okay, very simple it is. You must know what is what, which what want to do. This is the main criteria. You must know tables as well as multiplications, additions. Then it will be simple for you for doing the calculations regarding binary to decimal and decimal to binary also. Okay. Now decimal to binary conversion. It is necessary to decimal numbers into binary to make computers to accept. This conversion is to be taken due to the usage of computers. In computers, it will not take decimal numbers, it will take only binary numbers, that is zeros and ones only. Okay, so we must do these calculations in computer point of view. Decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. It is necessary to convert decimal numbers into binary to make computers to accept. Okay, I have given a simple picture also to you. Decimal numbers I am placing in a binary form in the computer. Okay. Now conversion. Find the binary equivalent of decimal 25. Okay, I have taken a decimal value 25 here. I want to convert into the binary number. See, in this division, here we want to perform the division. We already know that in division we have a dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, here 25 is represented as dividend Here base 2 is represented as divisor. Base 2 is represented as divisor. Base 2 is represented as divisor. What we are getting the values, that may be quotient and remainder here. Okay. 25 divided by 2 is, quotient will be 12 and remainder will be 1. Next, that quotient is taken in another line and it must be divided by 2. 12 by 2 equal to 6. Remainder is 0, quotient is 6. Now 6 is taken in another line. 6 divided by 2 equal to, it will be 3, quotient and 0 remainder. Next, 3 divided by 2 equal to, 1 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Next, 1 divided by 2 equal to, 0 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. Next, first obtained remainder is represented as LSB. Last obtained remainder is most significant bit. Is most significant bit 11001. We want to write from bottom to top. 11001 is termed as decimal number 25. Is termed as decimal number 25. Termed as decimal number 25. Please make a note of it. Okay, please make a note of it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the last session or after the completion of the class. Query session will be there. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Find binary equivalent of decimal 25. It is the conversion process. In this also you must learn the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You must know tables also here. First obtained remainder is nothing but LSB, least significant bit. Last obtained remainder is represented as MSB, most significant bit. Okay. Okay, I have clearly given to you 11001, bottom to top, 11001. Okay, you can take a note of it also. See, answer is read from the last remainder and up as shown in the diagram, as shown by the arrow. Here I have done the simple calculation here for decimal 125. The printing mistake is there, decimal 25 is there. Please make a note of it. Simple calculation it is. For decimal value of 125, you want to convert into binary equivalent. I am doing the division. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 62. Remainder is 1. Next, again divide by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Obtained remainder is 0, quotient is 31. Now 31 is taken as dividend here. 2 15s are 30. Remainder is 1, quotient is 15. 2 7 ja 14, remainder is 1. 2 3 ja 6, remainder is 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 1. 2 0 ja 0, remainder is 1. Okay. Now representing is from bottom to top. So 1 1 1 1 1 0 1, 5 ones 0 1, 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. 125 base 10 equal to 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 base 2. Okay. Please make a note of it. Kindly correct the question as decimal 125. One is missed in the question. Please make a note of it and write the problem in your notebook also. Okay, this is the class today we have learned. In this session we have learned decimal number system, binary number system, conversion to binary to decimal, decimal to binary. In the next session you will be learning octal and hexadecimal number systems. For getting a glance of the previous slides, I have given a quiz here. Please answer this quiz. First question is, number system used in digital or computers? Enna answer? What is the answer? In computers, we already learned that it will not take binary or Roman or octal or hexadecimal. It will take only binary number systems, zeros and ones. Answer is, anybody guess? Binary system. Another question, decimal equivalent of 110. Please do it in your notebook. 110. See, for 0 it is positional weight is units 1. For 1 it is 10. For 1 it is hundreds. Okay. 10 power 0, 10 power 1, like that. Or please clearly see the question. We have to convert decimal to binary to decimal. Binary to decimal conversion means we must do the binary weights position. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Okay. 2 power 2 means 4 plus 2 power 1 means 2. 2 power 0 into 0 is 0. So 4 plus 2 is 6 is the correct answer. 6 is the correct answer. Different questions what we have. Questions can be used in the examinations are, what is the base of decimal system? What is the maximum value of a binary digit can have? Which digit is called MSB? Which digit is called LSB? Convert 58 into binary and vice versa. Please make a note of these 5 questions and exercise questions also I have given. Please complete this assignment and submit in the next class. Okay. Here, what is the base of decimal system? Can anyone guess? What is the base of decimal system? It is nothing but 10. What is the base of binary system? It is nothing but 2. What is the base of octal system? It is 8. What is the base of hexadecimal system? It is 16. Which digit is called MSB? rightmost digit is called MSB, leftmost digit is called LSB. Most significant bit, MSB can be abbreviated as most significant bit. MSD means most significant digit. B means bit, D means digit. LSB means least significant bit. LSD means least significant digit. Decimal number 58 into binary. 58 can be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 8, 2 9s are 18. We get the output 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. We get the output 1. 2 7s are 14. Output 0. 2 3s are 6. Output 1. 2 1s are 2. Output 1. 2 0s are 0. Output 1. 1 1 1 0. It is the value for the 4 1s 0. It is the value for the decimal 58 in binary. Okay na? Please make a note of these questions and complete the assignment and submit in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. I will inform you. Please. Okay. If you have any doubt, I will kept it in the YouTube channel. Please recall that. If you have any doubt, or you can ask me in the next session also. Thank you for hearing my class.